How to rebuild attraction after a breakup. Hello everyone, my name is Fabien and I've been a dating coach for men since 2017. And in this video, I will guide you step by step to help you recreate attraction and get your ex back. Step number 1, identify the reasons for the breakup. If you know why your ex decided to leave you, that's a good first step. Work on changing what was wrong with you to make them adopt their decision and show them a better version of yourself. But doing just that isn't enough, obviously. Stay until the end of the video if you want to discover the other key strategies to win back this particular girl. And if you don't know the reasons or your ex gave you false reasons, the first thing to do is to talk about your relationship, your tough moments, or what you think went wrong with someone who doesn't know you. It could be me, it could be like another coach or an outsider, but it's essential to get an outside perspective from someone experienced in romantic relationships. This person will likely see what you can't and point out things you are currently missing. Once the reasons for the breakup are clearly identified, we can move on to step number 2, implementing an active no contact rule. Of course, every situation is unique, so I can't give you an exact number of days for your no contact period. This can range from 5 days to several weeks. And if you would like my personalized advice on your personal situation, click the link below to book your free breakup assessment and receive a customized action plan to win back your ex. I often emphasize the term active no contact because simply cutting off communication and doing nothing else won't help rebuild attraction. You need to work on yourself. This means you could, for example, update your profile picture on social media. You can also introduce new elements into your life and share them online so your ex or their friends notice. Or you can also even develop a skill she wished you had during your relationship. For example, if she wished you were more adventurous, plan a hiking trip or try a new sport. If she valued self-improvement, enroll in a course or start learn a new language or something else. If she wanted you to dress better, revamp your wardrobe and share a stylish new look. If she criticized your emotional communication, practice mindfulness or journaling. There are definitely things your ex wanted you to get into, but due to lack of interest or laziness, you never made the effort. During this no contact period, it's absolutely critical to start making changes in your life. And we could also, for example, hit the gym to lose weight or build muscle and transform your physique. But it goes deeper than that. Depending on your lifestyle and daily habits, there are always adjustments you can make to answer these 3 game-changing questions. How can you make her regret the breakup? How can you plant and grow doubt about her decision to leave? And the last one, how can you position yourself as someone who improves her life? Because once you start fixing what was holding you back and your ex sees or hears through mutual friends, your transformation, trust me, it will hit differently. But it's not just about change. You need to reconnect with the parts of you that made her fall for you in the first place. Let's be real, she wasn't drawn to you when you were emotional or begging. She was attracted to your confidence, your energy. That's the version of you we are bringing back. And here's the game changer. We are not just showing her what she already liked. We are revealing an upgraded version of you with undeniable value. That's why this step is non-negotiable before reinitiating contact. Step number 3, reestablishing contact. Forget generic messages like, hey, what's up? Hey, how have you been? Or I missed you. These won't help you position you as a challenge or rebuild attraction in her eyes. I always advise my clients to break the active no contact period with what I call a postcard message. Brief, intriguing communications that spark curiosity without revealing your emotional state. Let me give you an example. You can send her a photo or short video of a delicious dish you're having or a beautiful view, and pair it with a simple caption like a nice way to end the day or a nice way to start the weekend. Don't add anything else. No, let's meet up to talk, or do you want to grab a coffee? Do you want to grab a drink? Wait for her reply, then focus on reopening the conversation and rebuilding chemistry before suggesting a meetup. And most importantly, as you restart the conversation with her, ask yourself, how can I inject some mystery, humor, or something that will make her smile? Your focus should be on rebuilding rapport first before even thinking about suggesting a date. Avoid the classic mistakes my clients made before they decided to work with me or my team. Don't put yourself in a position of neediness. Avoid this classic mistake. Don't ask loaded questions like, hey, have you thought about us? Are you ready to get back together? Or will you give me a second chance? Instead, keep things light, fun, and engaging. Short, playful exchanges work best. Let attraction rebuild naturally. Step number 4, preparing to see her again. Now that you have reconnected with your ex or this particular girl, it's time to prepare for the meetup. Since I don't know you and I don't know your personal situation yet, I can only give you general advice. But here's what absolutely matters when you see her again if you want to leave a lasting impression. Stay relaxed. No pressure, no overthinking. Bring fresh energy, have new exciting stories to share, and this is why step number 2 was so crucial. Also keep it playful, tease her lightly, because serious talks, interrogations, or demanding explanations will completely kill the vibe. Surprise her, skip the boring coffee date. Instead, suggest something unexpected and fun, like for example an escape game, go-karting, mini golf, I don't know, like a quick workshop about something. Like, you can always grab a drink afterward, don't worry, but first stand out. The result? If you have followed these 4 steps correctly, she won't just notice the changes, she will feel that spark again and actually look forward to seeing you more. And if you would like a personalized action plan to win back a specific girl, click the link below to book a call with me or a member of my team, and we'll review your situation and give you a step-by-step plan to get her back.